Why do some people thrive under pressure while others crumble? What mysterious force propels them forward through adversity, enabling them to rise like phoenixes from the ashes of their challenges? Imagine Sarah, a woman from a small town with dreams bigger than her surroundings. For years, she worked a mundane job, her vibrant aspirations tucked away like old photographs in an attic. But one day, she decided that her dreams deserved daylight. She began dedicating early mornings to her passion for painting, transforming her latent talent into a thriving online art business. Sarah embraced her inner power, and now her art brightens walls across the globe. Or consider James, who was told he was too old to change careers. At 55, entrenched in the corporate world, he felt an unshakable pull towards teaching. Undeterred by naysayers, James returned to school, earned his degree, and now shapes young minds as a beloved history teacher. His story teaches us that it's never too late to follow your calling. And then there's Amina, who grew up in a community where women seldom pursued higher education. Despite facing cultural and financial barriers, she harnessed her inner strength to earn a scholarship to a top university. Today, Amina uses her degree in public health to improve lives in her hometown and beyond. These stories underline a universal truth. Your inner power is the most potent weapon you possess in the battle to achieve your dreams. It's not about the resources available, but the resilience to utilize what you have creatively and persistently. So, how can you start to unlock this formidable force within you? Begin by setting clear, achievable goals. Break these down into small, manageable tasks and celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Cultivate a mindset of growth, viewing every setback as a stepping stone to greater success. Surround yourself with supporters, people who uplift you and propel you forward. As we draw to a close, remember, the journey to embracing your inner power is uniquely yours. It might be daunting at times, but it is also deeply rewarding. Rise and shine, not because the world expects it, but because your dreams deserve to see the light. Your inner power is waiting. Will you harness it,